Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need Roblox Studio on a PC or Mac because you cannot build full games on iPhone. That said, make them playable on iPhone. First, sign into your Roblox account and create a new place. Once done, set device emulation to an iPhone resolution so you design mobile UI and controls early. Add a spawn location, basic terrain, and starter player. These initial steps let you iterate quickly and prevent rework, which saves time when you move into scripting and touch controls. Now you implement the game logic and mobile-specific UX. You write Lua scripts, keep authoritative systems on the server and responsive visuals on the client to avoid lag. For touch, create screen GUI elements, buttons, a virtual joystick, and compact HUD that uses 1/4 of the screen at most. Make sure input service handles touch and gamepad fallbacks. Once you have scripts and UI, use the mobile emulator to iterate. It reveals layout, touch timing, and performance issues before you publish. Finish by optimizing and publishing. Compress textures, simplify meshes, and lower part counts to keep mobile FPS high. In game settings, confirm iOS is enabled so players can join from iPhone. Publish the place and set game permissions, then install Roblox on your iPhone and test directly. If controls aren't responding, make sure mobile device movement and input service touch bindings are enabled, and that your UI canvas is set to scale with screen size. This fixes most mobile input problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.